Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Google My Business photo rejected problem. If you have uploaded a photo to your business profile and it keeps getting rejected, don't worry, I will walk you through why it happens and exactly how to fix it. So first step is understand why photos guide get rejected. First let's understand the main resources Google rejected photos. For your guideline, here you can see this photos and videos guideline are here. For Google Business photo guidelines, your low quality or blurry image and watermark text or logos that will be violate Google's policy, and irrelevant content, meaning the photo doesn't represent your business, and nudity, offensive content, or anything that violates community guidelines. Before trying to fix it, make sure your photo follows Google's business profile photo guidelines. Here you can see photo guidelines. Your photo looks based on Google if they meet the following standards: format must have JPG or PNG, size between 10 KB and 5 MB, recommended resolution 720 pixel tall and 720 pixel wide, then minimum resolution 250 pixel tall and 250 pixel wide, and quality, the photo should be in focus and well lit light and have no significant alteration or excessive use of filters. In other words, the image should represent reality. And also video guideline, make sure your video meet the following requirements: duration and file size, resolution. Then you can see these types of photos you can edit. There are several types of photos you can edit to your business profile: logo, cover photo and business photo. Add different photos to highlight features of your business to attract and inform customers. And also there is some information: add photos and videos to your business profile. Go to your computer, open your Google search or maps, then all the informations are given here, and then scroll down and see this logo photo missing. All the information are given there. And once your photo is ready, sign in your Google Business Profile Manager and select your business, then go to the photo section. Here is the photo, then click add photo and upload your correct image. Make sure you select the right category like logo or cover or interior. Wait a few hours to a couple of days for approval. If your photo still gets rejected even after fixing it, contact Google Business Profile Support. Go to support.google.com/business and click contact us and explain that your image meets all guidelines and request manual review. And that's it. Follow these steps and your photo should get approved without problems. If this video helped you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.